Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with an electric blower that I have purchased and we're going to do an unboxing of this electric blower. It's a DUB184Z brushless Makita blower. So some of the features of this blower, as you can see, it's a brushless motor, it's got a variable speed trigger, cruise control, lightweight design, and it's low noise. If we come around to the side of the box, we can see the specifications say it's 187 kilometers an hour airspeed. It indicates it's got the powerful brushless motor and once again the cruise control switch because you need that. And finally round to the front of the box, we indicate that it's lightweight at only 2 kilograms if you've got a 6 amp hour battery. Once again the speed, and then it's got a minimum 13 cubic meters of air volume. So we are going to do an unboxing of this blower here today. The first blow with the blower, and a quick review as we do a little bit of blowing around my yard to see what we think of this Makita brushless blower. Alright, so let's get into this box. Got the blower tube, the blower itself, an Allen key, and the future product brochure, instruction manuals, and the warranty. Like we need those. So to the assembly. Get the Allen key out, the tube out, just going to unscrew these screws so we can slide the tube in. There we go, there'll be one on the bottom the same. Get the tube on, clearly Makita should be upright. There we go, those screws are done up tight. Now, I purchased this as a skin, so I'm going to have to go grab one of my Makita batteries for this. Now this electric blower will take up to a 6 amp hour battery. Now, the biggest battery that I have is a 5 amp hour. So let's give it a go with that. And that, folks, is the first blow. Well, folks, I'm really impressed with this little Makita electric blower. That was extremely powerful. You saw that was just blowing leaves out like my petrol blower never blows them away. And anything actually in its way. You saw the mat and the sprayer down the side, they just got blown straight away. So I'm really impressed by this little Makita electric blower. I'm actually thinking it's far more powerful than my petrol blower. I'm thinking perhaps I should do a side-by-side comparison. Perhaps drop a comment below if that's something that you would like to see in a future video, a side-by-side comparison of the Makita electric blower to the petrol blower. So there you go, folks. That's the Makita electric blower. I am super impressed. It's far more powerful than I was expecting, and it's got all the benefits of being electric. You don't have to worry about the mess of fuel. It's light to use and it's super powerful. So to be honest, I can't see me using my petrol blower ever again because of this little electric blower. And I trust this review's helped you. If you've liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, have a good evening.